I am loving awareness, a position in a superposition universe. Once in a realm woven from the threads of quantum geometry and the fabric of loving awareness, there existed a universe not unlike our own, yet suffused with loving awareness that bridged the physical and the metaphysical. In this domain, the inhabitants had evolved not just in body but in spirit and mind, their consciousnesses attuned to the quantum superposition that danced around and within them. In this cosmos, on a planet, lived a young scholar named Amelia. Amelia was a seeker, a student of both geometry of quantum and the inner spaces of existence. She had learned from her reading of recent physics on the principles of quantum superposition, and had become captivated by the notion that all things exist in multiple states until observed. But it was the leap from physics to metaphysics that truly stirred her soul, the idea that her own loving awareness could influence the very fabric of reality. One tranquil evening, as Amelia sat under the ancient tree of contemplation whose leaves shimmered with the whispers of wisdom past, she decided to embark on an experiment that would blend her deepest understanding of the geometry of quantum with her most profound spiritual insights. She entered the Tibetan state of meditation calm, so her consciousness would resonate with the superpositions around her, to observe not with eyes but with soul. As Amelia meditated, her mind resonated with the hum of existence. She envisioned particles and waves existing in myriad potentialities, a cosmic dance of infinite paths. Her heart radiated with a love so pure that it seemed to reach out and touch the essence of the particles themselves. In that moment of deep connection, Amelia felt the boundaries between observer and subject blur. It was as though the entire universe lay within her, and she within it, a vast interconnected web of potential. Each breath she took seemed to collapse a superposition, each heartbeat a measurement that brought forth reality from the quantum haze. As the night deepened, a profound understanding dawned upon Amelia. She realized that her loving awareness was more than a passive observer. It was a creative force, an active participant in the unfolding of the universe. With each act of loving observation, she was not merely witnessing reality, but shaping it, weaving the quantum possibilities into a tapestry of manifest experience. The world around her responded. The tree of contemplation glowed with a vibrant light, its leaves vibrating with the echoes of Amelia's insight. When Amelia emerged from her enlightened state, she opened her eyes to a world that seemed both familiar and newly minted, as if each leaf, each blade of grass, each droplet of morning dew had been touched by her love and awareness. From that day on, Amelia taught others the practice of loving awareness, sharing the revelation that the act of conscious awareness could entangle the observer with the subject in a sacred dance of creation. People came to understand that their thoughts, infused with love and intention, could indeed shape the very essence of their reality. And thus, the inhabitants of this quantum-aware civilization learned to live in harmony with the universe, embracing the interconnectedness of all things. They nurtured the potentialities of existence with their loving awareness, crafting a reality that was a true reflection of their highest aspirations.